In this video, I will show you how to add emotes on Twitch. First, go to your profile and click on the Creator dashboard. On the left-hand side, look for the Viewer Rewards section and select Emotes. This is your main hub for managing all types of emotes, including standard, animated, and follower emotes. For this tutorial, we'll focus on uploading a standard Tier 1 emote. Find an open slot and click the plus icon. Then, simply drag and drop your emote file into the upload box. Make sure the file is a square image under 1 MB in size. Twitch provides the image requirements directly on the upload screen, and you can also use the auto resize feature. After choosing your image, give your emote a name and click upload. If you're a newer Twitch user, your emote may need to go through a review process before it appears on your channel. Once approved, it will become available for your viewers to use. That's it. Adding emotes to Twitch is quick and easy once you know where to go. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.